As it discussed in our Asia and Europe session update, gold moved towards 2035 levels. I have mentioned very clearly 2035 and 2040 are two key levels. While crude oil too has moved towards 70.6, these were the levels precisely we have mentioned in our morning update. Now, what to expect from gold and crude oil? Can we expect a more rise from here, or is it going to drop? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update would have already profited. Let's start first to look into our for gold. Now look at the gold's movement. See, it is creating higher base here. 2020-2018 zone, certainly a greater support, and now 2024 levels. So yes, if you see gold is staying below 2024, you can sell here and expect to move towards 2018-2022 zone, first support zone, and below that you can expect it to drop and achieve lower lows. Now see what has happened, the drop, retracement, lower lows, retracement, lower highs here. Consider that as lower highs what it has created now. Yes, it was earlier trading with this as high, it has breached this already. It has breached this already and moved towards 2035, forming a double top. Double top from yesterday's levels here. Now trying to move downwards. We will wait for a breakdown below 2018 and 2022 zone. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green trying to converge a bit, RSI is also looking downwards trying to stay bearish. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here, and since then it is just staying in the zone, creating higher lows and lower highs. We are just watchful of this, it is more of consolidation. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green and this is under retracement. Yes, after the drop it has retraced, and if it crosses over from here, that will be the beginning of further downfall. Right now it is still in the bullish zone. Also see this vertical drop and a gradual rise suggests that this is retracement, not a reversal. RSI again looking downwards. Coming to 3-hour chart. Now look at 3-hour chart, see consistent higher lows here. Yes, today it has given flat top at 2035, which is indeed a greater resistance. With that at resistance, see this double top in the previous two candles, with that it is trying to reverse. Now I'll just wait for it to break below 2024, where you can expect it to drop more, below which certainly more bearishness can be seen. And if it drops below 2024, you can say that I will wait for the next candle, then possibly the next candle, if it stays below 2018-2015 zone, we can say more bearishness will prevail here. Stochastic retracing and rising. Now see, MACD on the 3-hour charts have crossed over. It is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards, and it appears it has scope for it to rise further. RSI trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, couple of observations here. See, first of all, look at these lows here. Previous candle was a breakout candle. Now if you just observe this, the preceding candle was a breakout candle and it has moved towards the highs. Now just see this as a reversal sign. This candle is a reversal. With that, two bullish candles are observed and higher highs and higher lows are seen. Thus, only selling entry today is below 2024 levels, below which you can expect more bearishness. As it is bound to bounce back, we can expect a recovery as well, and it is only a buy if you see it is staying above 2036, beyond which certainly the bulls will try to take over. Stochastic rising, MACD is crossing over here and at the bottom, and this crossover can bring little bullishness. See the formation here, higher highs, higher lows. So if it crosses over here, it can call for more bulls here. RSI flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Also, we have a free webinar coming up this Sunday, where we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets, which is a crucial week next week, where FOMC is going to take place, which will be the decisive factor and the driving factor for the market. So we are going to take a holistic view for the indices and the commodities and also the dollar. And I will be taking up your questions as well. So do register for the webinar. The link is mentioned in the communities tab of this channel and in my channel and video description. Also, it is being shared in my free Telegram channel. So join. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my Telegram signals channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email, and further details related to batch and services are available on my platform www.forexfunda.com. Now look at the daily chart. The only concern point here is it is failed to break past yesterday's high, and 2035 giving it as a tough resistance. Yes, achieving lows here, it can try to achieve the lows here as well and show a swing, which means 2020 can be one of the bottom levels, or 2018 could be one of the lower levels which it may try to achieve and show a swing. Yes, even if you see it at these levels, as long as 2018 2022 is respected, the chances of a reversal and rise can be expected. Second observation here on the daily charts is it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average as it was trading with divergence. Now taking the support, there is a possibility of a rise. The stochastic has come to oversold levels, but the important part is the crossover in MACD. This is just the first red candle, and hence it can still continue on the downside and can show more drop here. What does it mean? Now see this. You look at this after the drop or recovery. Here it has recovered from the middle, it has achieved double top, and this time if it crosses over, more bearishness may prevail here. It has already crossed over, but it is not trading with divergence. Today's candle will decide which direction it wants to take. RSI coming out of the overbought zone as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today 2036 levels now and expect it to rise towards 2040. Beyond 2040, 41.5, you can expect it is going to hit 2050, 52 zone, which is the next resistance zone. Rather, I will say 48 and 52 levels are the two levels which it may try to achieve beyond 2041.5. And if it breaks past 52, it is going to be treated as a bullish reversal. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2024, but then be careful of 2018 2022 zone. These two levels are critical. Then 2014 and 2010, if it breaks below 2010 any point of time today, just treat that it is going to hit 2000 and below levels very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Look at crude oil here. See, the rise and a flat bottom is what we had seen here. $69.7 is still a good support here. With that as support, see what we have seen, 69.4 as a support, rise retracement. Now it has again come back to the support levels at 69.7. Now these level at 69.7, 69.6 holds good. From that we have seen higher highs. Thus it still has the probability for it to continue with the rise and move towards a little higher. But what it has done, most importantly, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It is slowly converged towards the 20 period moving average. In the update earlier today, I have mentioned very clearly that it is going to hit 70.6 and 71 levels. Staying beyond 70.6 is where the bulls will try to take over. Precisely, it has achieved 70.6 here. A stochastic looking down, MACD is in a retracement mode. It is divergent, it is bullish looking upwards. RSI has come out of the oversold zone as well. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see 69.7 appears to be a great support. It has achieved the lows and trying to move further upside. Now higher highs here means it can try to move towards 69.6, 70.6, 70.8 levels. Possibilities there. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here, trying to trade with divergence. Only 3 greener candles here, and this crossover has come at a lower levels, which calls for it to retrace a little on the upside. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, moving averages are trading with divergence. Prices are divergent from the moving average, trying to gradually move towards the moving average in this fashion. This is still a retracement, and possibly 70.6, 71 levels should be a greater resistance for the day. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, trying to cross over here. If it does cross over, potentially we can look forward to a little rise. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. On the 4 hour, likewise, the preceding candle was a swing candle. It has formed the base, it is trying to rise, and the possibility is there that it can try to continue moving upside. How high it can climb, I will look forward to 70.8, 70.6, 71 zone, very strong support zone, resistance zone, and beyond 71, yes, it can climb further beyond 71 levels as well, where we can look forward to 71.8 and 72 zone. Yes, it has a potential for it to rise further. Also, if you look at the stochastic, which was oversold, trying to look upwards, the MACD has seen extreme bearishness. It is trying to converge crossover. RSI is oversold as well. Coming to the daily chart, see on the daily charts, a sharper rise for 6 to 7 straight candles here. The current candle is also outside Bollinger Bands, which is seen getting support from the downside, and that is why we can see a little push here. And possibly if you see it is staying above 70.2, you can buy again for 70.6 and 71 levels as the next resistance. Beyond 71, possibility for 71.2. See 71.2 should be the first stronger resistance there. And after that, we can look forward to 71.8, 72 as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry is only below 69.4. I have mentioned earlier today morning as well. See, stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is also divergent and bearish 3 candles away. Possibility of conversion exists. RSI at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today. In fact, you can buy at 70 itself, but then be little cautious as long as 70.6, 71 levels are not breached. Possibility for oil to give swings exist, and a selling entry is only below 69.4. If you see it is staying below 69.4, just close your eyes, stay short. We are looking at 69 and then 68 levels here in next couple of sessions. Now it is trying to retrace. I will expect a little retracement on the upside. Just take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, and do join my free webinar this Sunday. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more confirmation on or details or any queries if you have related to my services. And if you want to schedule a call with me related to any technical assistance on the markets, you can schedule a call with me by visiting my platform www.forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow. Do what that is. Thank you.